What's good, everybody? The holidays are approaching, and I got some stocks. Got three of them actually. I know you'll like. All right. So before I do, all I ask you guys to do is leave me a like, get this video to 2,000 likes for me. I'm about to bless you guys with all the game you need. So let's get right into it. All right. Right now I'm in Miami. I just got done doing an interview with Charleston White, and I'm about to go meet a high school friend of mine, Playboy Cardi. Right after this, right after I do this. So, I ain't gonna rush it, but I'm excited to get out of here and get to that. Haven't seen dude since 2012 in person, 2011, high school. So, nothing really going on in the market as far as data, release minutes. It's Wednesday we do. Yeah, we have that. Release minutes, Federal Reserve, and that's just about it. Those, let's go look at some earnings. Yeah. I always go to eWhispers, the stock twits one. It's easier to pull up. We got NVIDIA earnings. Okay, on Wednesday, we got Walmart, we got Webull, we have Lowe's, we have Target. Let's see what else we have. BJ's, Home Depot, Baidu. Okay, so we got a few. Copart. Okay, so we got a few. The ones I'm looking forward to the most will be NVIDIA, Home Depot, but NVIDIA will be a big one. That's going to be a big one. Now let's look at what we're in again. We're in this channel again and again and again. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Oops, let's go to SPY. And let's go to the 4-hour real quick. All right, as you guys can see, we keep hitting this support line. Bounce, 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 bounce. But my whole thing is sometimes it doesn't go to the top. So my only concern is when it came here, it did not get here yet. So, we had to watch for that. And below this structure, about 661, about 661, about right here below this, we can see some downturn. It could get ugly below that. So we got to watch for that. BTC is dropping right now. Oops, let's go to, all right. Boom. BTC is dropping 94K, and it is down how much on the year? Okay, boom. This is how much it's down, 26%. All right, so now it's down 26%. Okay. 30% will be about right here in the 8,800 mark. And then, I got my box drawn for 75K-ish. Even if it gets to the 80s, that's still great. So just be watching for that. Let's see if there's a trend line we can draw here before we get to the three stocks. Okay, so we could have a trend line. So we got to watch for that. All right. Oh, it's already kind of breaking it. Oh yeah, that was kind of the spot. So it would have to rise back above that, because that's the third touch right there. Yeah, that's the third touch. So we got this spot in the 90s. We're going to see if Bitcoin can wick back above there. And this is on a 4-hour. We got to go to the daily chart. Yeah, you can see it better on the daily chart. It's kind of breaking structure on a daily chart. Let's see. Yep, it's definitely breaking structure, but we're going to see. All right. Now let's go look at our 4 stocks. But before I do, make sure you guys tap into my Discord. You go to the gains channel, you see my guys made money off of my plays. Here are my plays I got in Meta, CMG, HIMS, MicroStrategy. 4 for 4 on swings is not a loss to you sell. So technically 4 for 4. And these guys bank 450 on MicroStrategy, 920 on Meta. He made a rack. There you go. This person made money on MicroStrategy, 350. So what I'm trying, I got a new system, and this guy went crazy. 191% in a week from our plays. My best week so far, all from the knowledge I got from the mentorship program. No plays from the admin, all my plays, charting and research. You officially taught me how to fish, and I will eat forever. I'm forever grateful. Shout out to this guy right here, Smitty. See if we can get his profile up. Nice. Shout out to that guy. And he took the mentorship. So, you guys see firsthand what I can do for anybody. All right. So that's firsthand. Now, let's get into my plays. You guys already know. Hit the link in the description. Join the best community in the world. And we're doing a meetup in Atlanta. So, make sure you guys tap into that. So if you guys come into my group, you'll be able to sign up for the meetup. I actually got to do it December 12th to the 13th at my building at this address. This is where I be. Yeah, I just dropped my loc. You guys know where I be. All right. Now let's talk about my 3 plays. Number 1 is MicroStrategy. And I'm glad we got out our MicroStrategy call because we can get back in. So me and my group, we got out our MicroStrategy call. This right here. Okay, so if it comes down, it could possibly retest that level. But right now it's at retest of all-time highs, which is a great buy. We end up banking on that and taking profits. But if it, drops lower, because Bitcoin is dropping a little lower, that'll be awesome for another swing at MicroStrategy. And then we have Meta. All right, so that's our next one. Next one, I like Meta. Now, this one is for similar reasons. We are oversold. So just like MicroStrategy, oversold on the RSI. So that means the buyers can step in. It gets below 20 RSI, you can step in. And then you got Meta. Meta is bouncing off the 61.8. We already banked. See, here's the thing, folks. You only need a day or two to bank, and we caught them all. We caught this day from this bottom to about right here, right? And we caught it. That's all we needed. So that's how we made our money from Meta, about 30-some%. And it's a good entry right here. Again, SPY is at a great, on the channel, and it's still in a bull channel. So I wouldn't bet bearish on it until it breaks that channel. So Meta, and whenever it hits the 61.8, them things be dangerous. They can hit highs again. So, this all depends. But the lower Meta goes, especially in the 500s, 400s again, consider this thing a $1,000 stock. This would be your Bitcoin of the particular market. This thing is just crazy. Mark Zuckerberg did a great job. And our last one is STZ. So I like Meta, of course, because it's bouncing off the golden pocket here, and it's oversold on the RSI still. And it has a little bullish divergence on the RSI. So, and the last one is STZ. All right. Which is Corona beer. They have great bullish divergence. So remember, folks, I am a chartist. All you can do is take the risk, okay? So this is all you can do. All you can do is take the risk. STZ, Meta, and MicroStrategy are my top 3 plays. This one because of bullish divergence. The indicator is making a lower low, but the stock itself is making a lower low, and the indicators are making a higher high. So that is why it could foreshadow an uptrend. You get what I'm saying? So STZ, Meta, MSTR. All right, let me know what you guys think. This is your boy Aristotle. Hope you guys enjoyed this particular thing. Make sure you guys leave a comment as well. And turn your post notifications on. All right. And join the chat. Join the community. Y'all know what it is. God bless y'all.